The name of this video is Shirley, the Elephant and Baby. Alright, let's bring Shirley out here. There she is. And here's the baby. Let's put some trees out here. And some grass. Alright, let's bring out the sun and make it a shiny day. Guess what? We're gonna dress Shirley. Look at that tiara. And the baby, we can give her a hat. And give the baby a little skirt. Cool. Okay, what are we going to do about Shirley? Let's give her some little shorts. How about that? And a little top. Let's see. How about some nail polish for Shirley? Let's fix up with some nail polish. There you go. Alright, stay tuned for the next one. Take care. Have a good day.